You're watching this because you want to make more money, and we're going to show you how. In this video, we're going to share with you our top 7 side hustles that will help you make more money without quitting your day job. Hi, welcome to Money Invest. If you're like us, you're always looking for ways to make more money. That's why we've put together this list of the top 7 side hustles that will help you make more money without quitting your day job. So whether you're looking for some extra spending cash or want to start building your own business, we've got something for everyone on this list. Stay tuned and we'll get started right away. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so that you know exactly when new content is released. Also, let us know your questions and thoughts below or video topics you want us to cover, as we always take your comments into consideration and love hearing from you all. But what is a side hustle? A side hustle is a freelance or supplemental job that you take on in addition to your primary source of income. Side hustles are often entrepreneurial in nature, allowing you to be your boss and set your own hours. They can also be a great way to explore new interests or supplement your income. And with the rise of the gig economy, side hustles have become increasingly popular. Whether you're looking to make some extra money, pursue a new passion, or gain some valuable experience, a side hustle can be a great option. So what are you waiting for? Start your search for the perfect side hustle. 1. Become an SEO expert. As an SEO specialist, you may make a lot of money if you have some technical abilities and know your way around the internet. An SEO specialist aids businesses in improving their search engine ranking. The higher a company ranks on search engine results pages, the more traffic it will receive, the more leads it will get, and the more income it will generate. SEO specialists do this by optimizing website content, establishing links, enhancing user experience, and increasing overall brand awareness. You may improve your results and earnings by using AI SEO solutions like Surfer SEO and Jasper. Get 10,000 words bonus on the Jasper platform when you sign up with the link in the description. The typical hourly wage for an SEO specialist ranges from $35 to $50, depending on experience and the benefit you bring to business owners. There are a few things you must accomplish in order to become an SEO specialist. You must first grasp the fundamentals of SEO. After you've mastered the fundamentals of SEO, you'll want to start building your portfolio. You may accomplish this by doing projects for friends, family, or local companies. You can start charging upwards of $50 per hour once you've worked with a few clients. 2. Join the gig economy. Do you have a skill set that you can use to earn money online legally? Consider participating in the gig economy. The gig economy is a free market system in which businesses use freelancers or independent contractors rather than full-time employees. In 2020, the gig economy grew at a rate of 33%, outpacing the global economy as a whole, with around 35% of gig workers globally. Gig workers are estimated to have contributed over $1 trillion to the U.S. economy in 2020, according to data. Because it's now simpler than ever for experienced and up-and-coming writers, programmers, designers, and other professionals to connect with clients and supply their skills from anywhere in the world, freelancing has become one of the finest side hustle ideas for millennials. Start by looking for employment on Fiverr, Craigslist, or Upwork to establish your abilities and portfolio. For soon-to-be or recent high school or college graduates who are being pushed out of full-time jobs by more experienced colleagues, freelancing is a profitable side income. Working on a project-by-project basis allows certain professionals to supplement their income while creating a useful portfolio and bolstering their resumes with a number of delighted customers. Some students even begin freelancing while still in school. Tutoring and exam prep are so popular among student freelancers in colleges that the test prep sector is worth $24 billion. When it comes to launching an online side hustle, whether it's freelance writing or being a virtual assistant, remember that your network is key. Join Slack groups and private communities to discuss ideas and tricks, or start a Twitter conversation with others in your business. This will assist you in developing a long-term business from your side hustle that you can rely on for revenue. If you are enjoying the video and found it helpful, please leave a like on this video and comment, as this goes a long way and helps support our channel. We appreciate it. So let's get back to it. 3. Create and sell your own handcrafted items. Money-making hobbies provide a sense of fulfillment. It's no surprise that many Shopify merchants start successful small companies as a side project in their spare time. It doesn't feel like work if you like doing it. Consider something you like doing even if no one is paying you for it. Carpentry, knitting, painting, and crafts are all hobbies that may be used to start a variety of side hustles. Almost everyone enjoys some sort of pastime or creative outlet. If your job requires you to work with your hands, you're in a particularly advantageous position. Although learning a trade takes time, it's one of the finest ways to stand apart in a sea of mass-produced goods. To reach out to additional prospective clients, you can offer handcrafted things on Etsy in addition to your e-commerce site. Furthermore, buying raw materials places you in a unique position to guarantee that your production process is consistent with your brand values. In fact, many business owners use their principles as part of their sales pitch, such as manufacturing items made of recyclable materials. Take, for example, Dick Moby, a store that sells sunglasses made entirely of oil-free acetate, an environmentally benign plastic counterpart. Recycling materials may be a terrific method to retain your product's environmental sustainability while keeping costs low, from bags made of old car seats to classic radios refashioned as Bluetooth speakers. This might be the side hustle for you if you enjoy transforming old items into something new. 4. Become an influencer. Andy Warhol is credited as anticipating that everyone will be famous for 15 minutes in the future. From fashion models on Instagram to comedians on Twitter, the average individual today has access to an audience that exceeds anything Warhol would have seen in his day, but not everyone takes advantage in the same manner. This access has paved the way for a new generation of micro-influencers, particularly on Instagram, who may not be big names but can connect marketers with extremely specific audiences. If the label influencer doesn't conjure up the best image in your mind, remember that reach and influence, or getting the appropriate message to convince the right people, are two crucial duties of marketing. Simply said, influencers are another audience-driven strategy to starting a side hustle or business. While starting a side hustle isn't easy, there are plenty of imaginative methods to generate money with it. Focusing on audience acquisition isn't a negative thing, even if a business plan doesn't stand out straight away. Before their account could become viable and earn passive money, many Instagram entrepreneurs had to spend time establishing a following. On Instagram, there are many different sorts of influencers, so this is a side hustle with a lot of creative freedom. You may focus on providing material for a certain specialty, market your own freelancing services, enhance your acting resume, or just give humorous comments with eye-catching photographs. You may start affiliate marketing once you've established a following on the network. To become an affiliate marketer, you must share products or services on your social media networks. You earn a commission every time a follower buys using a special link you offer. If done correctly, this might be one of your more passive side hustles, allowing you to generate money while you sleep. 5. Become a bookkeeper. Are you good with numbers and enjoy keeping track of finances? If so, then you might want to consider becoming a bookkeeper. Bookkeeping is a vital behind-the-scenes role in any business, and there is always a demand for qualified professionals. Best of all, you can start your own bookkeeping business with relatively little investment, and it can be run entirely from home. You will need to be well organized and have excellent attention to detail, but if you have the necessary skills, then becoming a bookkeeper can be a great way to earn extra income. Sending and receiving invoices, Managing payments and bills and other basic financial papers may earn you $17 to $27 per hour. But if you're wondering if you need to be a certified public accountant to handle accounting, you're in luck. To become a bookkeeper, you don't need a degree. You may learn the basics through classes and workshops. To become a bookkeeper, you may attend certification seminars like Bookkeeper Launch and then charge extra for your services, up to $80 per hour. You might earn an additional $1,600 each month by working 5 hours every week. 6. Run Facebook advertising. Did you know that local company owners that need help operating Facebook advertisements have a huge demand? It's difficult to run a family company around the clock while also attempting to cash in on social media. Facebook advertising is a great way to make money on the side. You can work with local businesses to create and manage their ad campaigns, and you can set your own hours and rates. The best part is that you don't need any special skills or experience to get started. All you need is a basic understanding of how Facebook advertising works. There are many businesses that are not using Facebook advertising to its full potential, and they would be willing to pay someone to help them get the most out of it. If you're interested in making money on the side, Facebook advertising is a great option to consider. Facebook ads are essentially digital marketing, and they assist an internet business in gaining more visitors and reputation. More clients come their way the more they are noticed online. Working for a local business may also benefit you in other ways. The proprietors may share their knowledge with other local firms, and more clients will contact you since you come with recommendations. This is a side business that you may undertake in your leisure time with only a few hours per week. Those few hours might bring in $1,000 to $2,000 each month. 7. Start a zine and sell digital subscriptions. Have you ever considered starting your own magazine? A zine is a work with a limited distribution. Any magazine aimed at a niche readership is referred to as a zine, but the major distinction is the handcrafted, autonomous aspect that relies on ideas and ideals not covered by mainstream media. A zine may be an excellent online side job for artists, graphic designers, and authors to promote and sell their work. It may be an effective approach to rally people for activism. Alternative, unappreciated pieces of art and literature have long been included in zines. Zine making is a form of self-publishing that's existed for centuries, but the internet has made it easier than ever to produce and distribute a zine. You can sell digital subscriptions to your zine for a monthly fee or per issue. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please show your support by hitting the thumbs up button, subscribing to our channel, and turning on the notifications bell so that you can keep up to date with new content releases. Also, leave your questions and thoughts below.